Welcome back to another video with me and my house. And today I am going to show you all of my Nerf guns that I have. So let me just get them. I'll be right back. Yeah, okay. Let me just show you how heavy this thing is and how much Nerf guns I have. So I'm going to be showing you them. Okay, so first up we're starting with this. I forgot what it's called. I don't know. Has a mag in it. 12 dart mag. Let me just get that thing. If I could get around my whole thing. See, 12 dart mag. Pop that thing back in there. Yeah, done with this one. Now we just get back. Here's another one. Here's another one. My Nerf guns. It is a sling fire. Here's another one. It's a machine gun. Yeah. How the heck did I get underwears in there? This is the Dislet Tour? I don't know. Comment down below if you know this gun. Or any of those guns. This is the Sharp Fire. Sharp Fire. Is that right? I lost a piece of it, but that's okay. Oh god. I can take that off. This is one of my favorite pistols. Fire Strike Elite. Has beam. Sorry if I blinded your eyes, because I'm gonna blind them again. I'm kidding. Yeah, it has a laser beam. It has it has 3 darts that you could hold, and 1 dart that you could shoot out of. Yep, so that one's a good one. This one is a hard gun. This one's a hard gun. My dad gave me this one. It's the XV 700. Has a mag that could hold 7. Off with another gun. Oh, this one's one of my favorite too. This thing's powerful. Hear that air? It's so cool. Okay, so it's a Mega series, and it's the Magnus. Magnus? Yeah. Okay. One is from Extra, and this holds 25, I'm pretty sure, and it doesn't have a name. It's just Extra. Okay, well, I use another Mega one. Let me just see. Grotto Fury. I forgot this thing. I got another one. It's called the Flip Fury, and it's from the Zombie series from Nerf. Got this AK-47 that doesn't have mag, makes noise. I have this shotgun. It's called the Rakat 2x4, 2x4. Yeah, 2x4. Boys, I got a map, the Georgia map, because I live in Georgia. Found this in my recess when I went to school. Okay, so I'm not showing you where exactly I live, but I'm just showing you the part of the town that I live. Around this area. I'm just close to this area. Like right there. Wait. Yeah. Hey, look, there's Cleveland right there. Okay, I'm done with that gun. I have another Mega series. It's Big Shock. Holds one dart and shoots one dart. Here's from the machine gun that I showed you. Let me show you how you use it. So, you put it in like that. You open it like that. You put your mag in like that. And you close it up. So that's how you use it. And then when it's out, it like falls out like that. Then you just like that. And I have a modulus that has no bullets. No bullets, no batteries, because my grandma, she threw it down on the ground. But I have a modulus. Yeah, there's nothing too special about it. It's just a modulus. Okay, let me see. What else I have? I found it. Okay, so I have a double edition, Owen, whatever, double Owen. I don't know. Owen. I have this. This. I forgot what this is called. I forgot, actually. Revolver, yeah, I have a revolver. That could come out. It has fake bullets, even though I lost like 2 of them. There. So, just plop it in like that. You spin it, oh god, they all came out. Oh, I have one more gun that I want to show you. There. Yeah. You could do it like this too. You could do it like that. And then you just like plop it back in. Poo, 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 poo. Oh, hey, dog. Bye, dog. I think that's it. Well, I have another gun that I want to show you. I cannot find it. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye.